hands if you want. Oh, don't take me out. Okay, I'll take the wrong person. Let's do this. So what's your name, sir? Nice and clear out. Newman. Give it up for Newman. So, Newman, I'm just asking you a question. Are you happy or married? Both? Okay. So both. So, do you go to gym? Yes? You go to gym? Yes? You work out a lot? Yes, you used to? So, of course, you are stronger than me, right? You are stronger than me. So, this is what's going to happen, okay? So, I'm going to take you to your past. Okay? Take you to your past in your mind. I want you to think of your first kiss. Think of your first kiss. Only one. I think there are many. Only one. Yeah? I'm going to find that person's name by hypnotizing you. Okay? By hypnotizing you. But, before that, we got to do some warm-up. Please hold your hand like this, right hand. Tight, okay? Tight. Oh, let's go. So I'm going to push. I want you to resist, okay? I'm going to push, try to resist. Okay, very strong this time. Okay, let go. Okay. So I'm going to place my hand on the top, right hand. Place your hand on my forearm and try to lift, okay? Try to lift my hand. Place, try to lift my hand. Yeah, this hand. Try to, only one, yeah. Yeah, lift. Oh, don't take my head off. Okay. You're strong, okay? Now look straight, face to face, eye to eye. Place your both hands like this. Tight. I'm going to push. Try to resist this time, okay? Try to resist. Okay. You are very, very strong, okay? Now look straight. You can let go. So this is what's going to happen, okay? Please close your eyes. I'm going to give you some instructions. Follow the instructions in your mind. I'm going to hypnotize you. Close your eyes. Yes? Don't open your eyes, please, okay? Then it won't work. So I want you to imagine, I'm going to make you weak. I'm going to take away your strength. Take away your strength on your right shoulder, right biceps and right forearm. Take away your strength from your left shoulder, left biceps and left forearm. Now you're becoming more weak. Now slowly open your eyes. Did you feel anything on your body? Yeah. Apart from that, no, nothing, right? So please place your right hand like this. Now, in your mind, you become very weak. I made you weak. Now, if I push, you cannot. It's very easy for me. See? It's very easy. Hold it tight. One more time. If I push, it's very easy for me. See? That's very easy. Now it's very easy. But listen, I place my hand. Now try to lift my hand. Yeah. We can do both hands if you want. Oh, don't take me out. Okay, I'll take the wrong person. Only one hand, okay? One hand is fine, okay? No violence. He said just do it, but don't do it, okay? Yes. Only one hand. Try to lift, you cannot, yeah? Let go. It's okay. I want to leave at least 30 more years, please. Now look straight. There's both hands like this. Straight. Now I'm going to push. Now it becomes weak. It's very easy for me to push now. See, very easy. Push tight. It's very easy. See? It's very easy. Very easy. Come on. Now let's try. One more time. Let's try. So in a moment, Winston. You are going to close your eyes. Okay? Not now. In a moment. So I'm going to touch you on your shoulder. I'm going to touch you on your shoulder. If you feel any touch on your right side, lift your right hand slowly like this and drop it. Okay? Just as an indication. If you feel a touch on your left shoulder, left like this, slowly like this and drop it. Okay? Just as an indication. Maybe like this, maybe like both and drop. Okay? It's simple as that, no? Please close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold it for 15 minutes. I'll be back. Just for me. You can be normal. Please open your eyes. But did you really feel touched like this? You did? But tell him what happened. Did I touch you? Did I touch you? Yes or no? No! I did not touch you at all. Really? I did not touch you at all. But Winston, once you go back to cabin, wait, once you go... Newman. Okay, let's change it. Okay, so Newman, once you go back to cabin, once you go back to home, if you still feel a touch like this, that's not me, okay? So, I want you to focus on the person in your mind. Think of your first kiss, okay? Is she there? Okay, think of your first kiss, okay? You got it? In your mind, repeat it. Look at my eyes. I can sense there's the E in the letter. Yes? Now there's a... Oh, L. Is it L? Don't do that, look at me. I did not do that. L? Is it L? And also there's A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It's a B. It's a B? It's a B. So, Vincent, Newman. What is that? Vincent or Newman? Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, let's try. I don't want to look, okay? I'm going to write it down on the board and show it to everybody. Okay, the person's name. But repeat the person's name in your mind over and again. You got it, yes? People on the back, if you cannot see, improvise. Yes? Got it? Alright, good. Newman, for the very first time, in a clear, public speaking voice, please say the name aloud. I have written already. Show it to everybody. Please say. Mohammed. Okay, let's go. Yes, Pacha! Beautiful! Thank you so much. Wow. God, if I was a woman, I would marry myself.